Today we will discuss about data cabling. What is data cabling? Data cabling is a method of connecting multiple devices, example PCs, printers, CCTV cameras, servers within an IT network. There are es- essentially two types of data cable. One is copper and one is fiber. In copper cabling, we have two-state pair cables. These are the most common types of cable, network cables used in network Ethernet connect network. Unshielded twisted pair UTP cables, commonly used in homes and office networks. The widely and commonly used UTP cable types are category 5E, category 6, and category 6A cables, commonly known as Cat 6E, Cat 6, and Cat 6A cables. We have one more type of copper cable, which is shielded twisted pair, which is known as STP cables. Those cables provides additional shielding to reduce electromagnetic interference used in environment with high interference, which are commonly used in high tension power cables. UTP cable categories. Today we will discuss about UTP cables. Unshielded twisted pair cables comes in various categories, each designed for specific performance levels and applications. Here are the main UTP cable categories. We have different types of category cables available in the market. As you can see, Cat A, Cat 2, Cat 3, Cat 4, Cat 5, Cat 6E, Cat 5E, Cat 6, Cat 6A, and Cat 7. Commonly used Cat cables in office, homes, and data centers are Cat 6E, Cat 5E, Cat 6, and Cat 6A. Cat 5E cables can flow the data up to 1 GB per second. Maximum length what we can achieve in Cat 6A is 100 meters. In Cat 6, the data flow rate can go up to 10 GB and the maximum length we can achieve is 100 meters. And Cat 6A, it can go up to 10 Gbps with a maximum length of 100 meters. These categories Cat 5E, Cat 6, Cat 6A operates in different speed. If you want to know more details about Cat 6, Cat 6A and Cat 5E, let me know in the comment section. We will try to discuss more about the speed of these cables. In data center, we follow TIA 942 standards for network cabling. TIA stands for Telecommunication Industry Association. TIA ANSI 942 Telecommunication Infrastructure Standard for Data Center is an American national standard that specifies the minimum requirement for data center infrastructure. As I have discussed earlier, normally we use category 6, category 5E, category 6A cables in data center. As I have discussed, Cat 5E is a unshielded twister pair cable type with a bandwidth of 100 MHz and which can operate at a speed of 1 Gbps with a maximum distance of 100 meters and the connector is RJ45. Category 6 is also a unshielded twisted pair cable which operates in 250 MHz speed and the maximum speed it can achieve is 10 Gbps. If you are using 100 meter cables, the speed can reduce to 1 Gbps, and if you are using till 55 meters, we can achieve 100 Gbps per second. The, the connector for this cable is also RJ45. Category 6A is also a shielded foil twisted pair cable and it comes with unshielded twisted pair cable also, which runs in 500 megahertz speed, and the maximum speed which can achieve is 10 gbps, and the maximum distance we can achieve is 100 meters, and the connector we use is also RJ45. Please note, whatever the cable you are using, the communication device should also be capable of transmitting and receiving data of 10 Gbps. If a network card has the speed of only 1 Gbps, if you are using Cat6a also, you will achieve the maximum speed of 1 Gbps only. So this is the color coding of network cable arrangements we have to achieve in RJ45 connectors for the proper connectivity. This is one of the example of RJ45 hand crimped cables which look like this. This is the crimping tool. This is the RJ45 connector. UTP cables comes with factory tested, factory crimped cables of different length from 1 meter to 30 meters, and depending upon your requirement, you can customize the length as well. It comes in different colors also: blue, gray, white, red, yellow, as on. This is the example of RJ45 crimped cable which looks like this. Factory made patch cables comes in different length as I have already discussed, but the good thing is they are tested and QC approved by factories. It saves time for connectivity and laying the cables. In my later videos, I will discuss about fiber cabling in a nutshell. If you have any queries, please let me know. Thank you.